Wait your turn. In my own lane we can't merge. So no here you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P Litty. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let them up to a million, I rock with it, really, let's fuck on the bed. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the millions. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trapping, I made me a...
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, you join me in the back of the van. And the reason why the bikes are loaded up is because we're actually going to a trail centre, roughly an hour and a half from where we live. But yeah, should be a sick day. So yeah, let's get in the van and get on with the journey.
The journey was boring and the traffic was really bad.
So this is, introduce yourself.
I'll send you a link to it later.
Introduce yourself. Jordan, what's your Instagram?
Orange Juice Customs. What's that?
Everyone knows your bike, but go on, introduce yourself.
Sean 998.
And you are?
I'm Josh and mine's Sting R13.
It doesn't look that flat though. These guys are so much more grip than me. I've had a bit of a nightmare. Look at Jordan's tyre. It's gone flat, completely flat.
Josh has gone to get an electric pump, then got lost.
Where are you now? Oh, is it reading 16?
Tire is completely flat. Jordan decides to ride it till the wheel falls off.
I look like a little insect.
Jordan now has no brakes either.
You alright? You say?
My turn to lead the pack. brake without brakes.
Where are they gone?
I think that's it.
So guys, we had to cut it short. It started really raining. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, leave me a like. It helps with the algorithm. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers soon. I'll leave everyone that came here, their Instagram names here. Massive shout out to them. So give them a follow if you want more Sur-Ron content. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.